So this is a basic system package swap. She's upgrading from 80% efficiency, which is this thing right here. We're gonna remove that. At the end of the day, we're gonna end up, I don't know where, but we're gonna have to go outside with some PVC for the exhaust. Just so you guys see what she currently has going on here. It's nice on the ground, no gap. Possibly undersized. The whole thing, I think the width is like 14 or 15 inches. No drip leg on the gas. No service outlet for someone like me to come work on it. The drain. It's kind of just going everywhere. Alright, so this is the ductwork that supplies the right side of the house. And one of the main complaints was that she had no airflow. So she's got two terminations there. It goes inside a real small duct. Look, my hand is as big as this thing right here. On top of that, there's a repair here. And then I don't know why, but there's a vent in here. So we're just gonna end up fixing this right here at the end of the day. So let me show you guys what it looks like before. We're gonna increase this. All this is gonna get done just so that she doesn't have problems with the airflow anymore. Left side of the house looks okay. This we can let slide, but the right side of the house not okay. It's undersized, so we're gonna fix it for it real fast. So this is the old unit. Same thing. You gotta watch with this. Same thing. At the end of the day, the blower wasn't even blowing that hard anymore because I opened it up. No airflow. So yeah, same thing. Showing you guys what it looks like. The old unit.
You have the scissors?
Alright, so the unit is in. We're trying to pinpoint its final location, but just so you guys see what's going on real quick. Gas, electric, thermostat, we all still gotta be done. Alright, so at the end of the day, we're just gonna end up redoing this plenum for the lady. You know, that way it's, you know, she doesn't call me back that she has insufficient airflow. The return is in, same thing. So these were the two new ones that I added for that vent that went over here. So 1, 2, so they don't got that square duct anymore. And then that I was able to increase the width of this. I just got to finish this last hole right here. At the end of the day, here we go. That's the exhaust. We ended up running 2 new exhausts for this one. This used to be 80%. If anything, it used to be this. We ended up taking it out. Humidifier, same thing. Humidistat right here. Same thing. This is the drain right here.
Okay, let's go.
Sí, güey, patilla, that's it, güey. ¿Te mando la dirección?
¿Ya?
Sí, güey.
Ya me lo mandas.
Mañana, same thing, 8 a.m. allá y mañana cash out para todo, güey. Ayer te tengo para 10 y hoy 12, güey. Y ya mañana ojalá otras 12, güey. And that's it, güey. Humidifier, 700 series. Humidistat, AC lines. I checked everything. Just show you guys what it looks like at the end of the day. I ended up having to fix all this actually. All this right here, I had to fix all this because it was undersized. Honestly, it was kind of retarded. I had to fix it. I had no other choice.